Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you all have some research prepared for this meeting today. We have a very important campaign coming up this week, and it's essential to our company that we sell our alkali metals efficiently.
Okay, my element is potassium. It was discovered on October 6, 1807 by Humphrey Davy, not Mrs. Davy. He discovered it by trying to break down potash in sodium ash, and then resulted in potassium. It is named after potash, and it's letter K because it comes from the Latin word kalium.
My element, rubidium, was discovered in 1861 by Bunsen and Gustav.
Same with cesium. It was discovered by spectroscopic analysis of mineral water.
Sodium was discovered at the same time as potassium by Humphrey Davy in 1807 through electrolysis. It came from the Arabic word suda, which means headache, because it was used to relieve headaches. And the symbol Na comes from the Latin word natrate.
Rubidium has the Latin origin rubidius, which means deepest red.
Lithium comes from the Greek word lithos, meaning stone. It was discovered in 1817 by Johann Apfedson, discovered by passing electronic charge through melted lithium chloride.
The name cesium comes from the blue lines that were observed in its spectrum.
Okay, so everyone's element reacts with water, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good. Alana, why don't you share with us some of your element's specific chemical properties?
Okay, along with reacting violently with water, it also gives off hydrogen gas. It also reacts readily with all acids and all nonmetals, including sulfur, chlorine, fluorine, phosphorus, and nitrogen, so is highly or explosively reactive. Potassium rapidly oxidizes in the air also.
Rubidium is one of the most active elements. It catches fire when exposed to oxygen, produces hydrogen gas, and combines violently with halogens. And it is separated by fractional crystallization and separated by ferrocyanide process.
Lithium is reactive with oxygen, nitrogen, and hydrogen. It's flammable, corrosive, and explosive. It purifies or separates by fractional crystallization.
And cesium combines with oxygen easily. It's the second lowest melting point of all metals, and it's a catalyst for hydrogenation of organic compounds, and it removes trace gases. Its method of purification or separation is distillation.
Sodium also reacts with water. When it's freshly cut, it has a bright silvery luster, but it reacts with air and it tarnishes. It also is less reactive than potassium, but is more reactive than lithium.
How do y'all's two purify or separate?
We're both purified by electrolysis.
Great. Okay, next, if everyone will go around the table listing their common compounds, the use, the important sources, or relative abundance of your specific element. Alana, why don't we start with you?
Okay, common compounds of potassium include potassium chloride, which are found in fertilizers. Another compound is potassium hydroxide, which are found in soaps, detergents, and drain cleaners. Potassium is the 7th most abundant element on Earth. It comprises 1.2% of the Earth's crust, and it is also found in the ocean floor.
Common compounds of rubidium are rubidium chloride, rubidium sulfate, and rubidium fluoride, which is used in purple fireworks, to remove traces of oxygen from vacuum tubes, to make special types of glass, and it's also used in atomic clocks.
Lithium has common compounds of lithium carbonate, lithium hydroxide, and lithium nitride. It is found in batteries, ceramics like pottery, and lubricants. It is in the top 15 most abundant elements and makes up 0.005% of the Earth's crust.
Cesium's common compounds are cesium chloride and cesium nitrate. It's found in rubidium ores in the ocean and the Earth's crust, and it's the 45th most abundant element. It is used to produce other chemicals and treat cancer, and it's also used in vacuum tubes, light bulbs, and atomic clocks.
Two common compounds for sodium are sodium hydroxide and sodium chloride, which is used as table salt. It's also central to making soaps, and it's used in preserving meats as well. It's the sixth most abundant resource, and it's found commonly in the ocean and the Earth's crust.
Now let's discuss the biological, medical, historical, or military roles our elements have played. Elena?
Potassium is a very important mineral for the proper function of all cells, tissues, and organs in the human body. It is also an electrolyte like sodium. That conducts electricity in the body.
Rubidium is used in subatomic clocks to maintain accuracy.
Lithium is used in antidepressants.
Cesium was used to help treat cancer, and it's used in atomic clocks.
Sodium was used, sodium in salt was used as a currency or used to trade back in the ancient times. And it's also used to cure headaches.
Very nice. Do y'all have any unusual or interesting facts about your elements?
Potassium is soft enough to cut with a knife.
Yo, that's so sharp.
Compounds emit a lilac or violet flame color when burned, and potassium is used in fireworks. And it's also found in bananas.
Rubidium is also used to make fireworks, and although it is rare, it is found in North America, Africa, and Russia.
Alloys of lithium with aluminum, cadmium, manganese, and copper are used to make high-performance aircraft parts and used in cosmetics.
Cesium is actually the most reactive element in its family.
Sodium is used for food preservation.
Very nice. Have y'all found current research on your element?
Along with being the seventh most abundant element on Earth, it is a very reactive element and is never found free in nature.
My element is used to conduct research on how to make very thin batteries.
John Cade found that people suffering from bipolar disorder benefited from taking lithium carbonate, and in studies 60% had improvement with their bipolar symptoms.
Right now there is research of cesium-137 being found in radioactive fallout.
Currently, sodium ions are being used to see if they can make batteries.
Cool. Well, this adjourns our meeting. I think we have some very good information to use for our upcoming campaign, and I will see you all next week. Thank you.
Potassium is found in bananas and in soap.
Yo, you want some sodium for that potassium?
No!
Don't be so salty.
That's cesium.
Rubidium is found in the tubes of batteries.
Lithium is found in cosmetics. They make me pretty.
Lithium is used to make high-performance aircraft parts.
Sodium is used in making soaps.